In this part, we'll see how to change the speed of a video. Means you can slow it down or make it faster. So I'll just simply import a video clip. I'll just take the same video clip which I have taken previously. I'll drag it here. I'll just simply select the portion that I need. So I need it till here. I'll just hit Ctrl B and delete the rest of the portion. And now I'll just simply click on this option. So you can see here, right now the option that I need is not available here because I haven't selected the clip yet. So I'll just simply click on this clip and now you can see other options pop up, right? I'll just click on this speed option here. And now here is the slow and fast option. I can make it 0.25x slower, for example. And now let's see the clip. Or else we can just make it faster. So first I'll click on normal and I'll just click on this fast and I'll make it some 2x faster. Let's see this effect now. Now let's make it much more faster. I'll make it 4x. So you can change the speed like this. You can even change the speed from here itself. You can just click on this clip and change the speed. I'll click on normal and it will get to normal back again. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching.